Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Tuesday, May 15th, 2018. Officials on Hawaii's Big Island say that some vents from the volcano are releasing such high levels of sulfur dioxide gas that it poses immediate danger to anyone nearby. Officials have ordered evacuations for over 2,000 people since the volcano began erupting on May 3rd, and lava has destroyed more than 24 homes. Nearly 20 fissures have opened since the volcano started erupting, and officials warn it may soon explode with a massive steam eruption that would shoot boulders and ash miles into the sky. On the 14th, more activity at the Shinmodake volcano in Japan, as it erupted steam 7.6 kilometers into the air, prompting officials to raise the alert level to 3. At least 61 people have died in fierce dust storms across 4 Indian states since the 13th, with officials warning of more bad weather to come. High-speed wind and lightning devastated many villages, bringing down homes and leaving dozens injured. On the 15th, severe flooding turned the streets into rivers and destroyed homes in Croatia. Major flooding hit British Columbia on the 10th, forcing about 4,000 people to flee their homes. Officials warned that a second wave of flooding is expected mid-week. Severe hail around the globe. On the 13th, there was a massive violent hailstorm in Alberta, Canada. Also on the 13th, more torrential hail in Romania.